Let's understand the concept of distance and displacement. Suppose this is your home and this is your school. आप घर से निकले and you go to your school. Suppose you walk for a distance of 3.5 kilometers. Now, what is displacement? The shortest distance between the origin and the final position is known as displacement. Suppose ये displacement आता है 1 kilometer. तो displacement is 1 kilometer and distance is 3.5 kilometers. Now you go back from your school to your home. आप फिर से 3.5 किलोमीटर्स मूव करें तो आपका टोटल डिस्टेंस हो जाता है 7 किलोमीटर्स. बट अब आपका डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है? आपकी जो फाइनल पोजीशन है दैट इज द सेम एज योर ओरिजिनल पोजीशन एंड सो आपका डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो जाता है 0. नाउ आप घर आने के बाद गार्डन गए. You again walk for a distance of 3 kilometers in the opposite direction. So, the distance covered by you is calculated as 3 kilometers. But यहाँ पर आपका displacement कितना है? क्योंकि आप opposite direction में जा रहे हो, so here the displacement will be taken as minus 2 kilometers. जो shortest pathway है उसकी length है 2 kilometers but it is in opposite direction, so it will be taken as minus 2 kilometers. So let's compare distance and displacement. Distance is the actual length of the pathway covered by you, and displacement is the shortest distance between the origin and the final position. Distance is always more than displacement or equal to displacement. Because displacement has shortest pathway, तो उससे छोटा distance नहीं हो सकता. Distance is a scalar quantity क्योंकि उसमें direction consider नहीं करते, and displacement is a vector quantity because in that direction is also considered. Distance and displacement दोनों का ही SI unit है meters.